Alana from Cheap Alarm Parts. I'm going to show you the siren options for the majority of our alarm kits. All of our full kits come with an external siren and an internal siren, and you have a choice of the slim or traditional siren for the external and the top hat or flush mount siren for the internal choices. There is also a wireless option for the external siren. This is the traditional siren box made from UV resistant materials. It obviously won't rust ever. It has an LED strobe light on the bottom, TAMPER switch and a full-size horn which you can use either as 8 ohm horn or 12 volt siren, so it's universal with older model alarms with no siren drivers. It comes with a sticker on the front, a template for easy screw mounting and screw terminals. This is the slimline siren. It also has an LED strobe light, inbuilt TAMPER switch and 12 volt PIEZO siren. You can mount it on a flat wall or under your eaves. It also comes with a template for easy mounting. And the noise. Here are the two indoor screamers. Both 12 volt, the top hat siren can mount to any flat surface and sticks out about an inch, while the flush mount siren you can hide in a ceiling space and it fits just like a halogen or LED light fitting. Once fitted, you can hardly notice it, and the noise from both are pretty similar, both quite unpleasant. This is the wireless option. It comes with a transmitter and then the siren itself, which houses the receiver, and a 5 to 10 year lithium battery. It also has LED strobe, PIEZO screamer and TAMPER switch, just like the wired ones. We have tested the range and it's well over 100 meter line of sight, but obviously every site is different. It's a great option if you can't get wires to where you want your siren box. Take a look at our other videos if you want more technical information on any of the sirens and many of our other products. And that's it. If you enjoyed today's video, leave your comments below and like and subscribe to our channel. Also catch us on Facebook and Instagram, and don't forget to visit our website where you can find all the equipment we've spoken about today at www.cheapalarmparts.com.au. See you next time.